I said we back outside. 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 Over the weekend, I went to go take the MSF course. What do I think about it? I'm about to tell you right now. So I went to go take the MSF course. What I gotta say about it is, if you never I need to get some gas because I'm about to run out, bro. If you never rode a bike before, excuse me. If you never rode a bike before and you decide to go take the MSF course class, it's gonna be tough. The written part and the like the online, the e-course part, that's gonna be easy, you know what I'm saying? Because it's just nothing but, you know, obtaining information and then, you know, using that information to answer the questions correctly. Boom, it's easy. If you went to school, you can do that. But as far as just like actually being on a motorcycle and them telling you, okay, now do this, do that, do that. You know, you gotta do a damn figure 8, man. You gotta do a figure 8, bro. Inside a goddamn, you know, small space. You know what I'm saying? A space like the size of a space like the size of a kitchen or something. It was hard for everybody. So I can imagine somebody who has never ridden a bike before in their life. You feel me? Them trying to do like a, alright, it's like this big, right? Like a little rectangle like that. And you gotta goddamn do a figure 8 like this inside the rectangle, but you can't go outside the blue lines. And you can't hit the front brake. And you gotta be in first gear only, without the bike stalling and all that shit. What that just dropped, bro? Some just dropped, man. Hell nah, bro. Oh, I gotta pull over to see what the just dropped. I just dropped something. No, I ain't tripping. Damn. What the hell was that? Ooh, pull up. Ooh, pull up. My nigga, I just dropped something, bro. Those are my keys. My phone here. Key. Phone, wallet. And if I did drop something, oh, look at that view though. The view hard. Yeah, check the bike out though. There go the bike right there. The 2012. I'm gonna finish talking about the MSF course, but the 2012 FZ6R Yamaha 600. Man, I heard something drop, bro. I'm not feeling this morning. I'm not sure. I'm gonna be straight up, bro. I'm not feeling it. I just feel like, not lazy, but like, I need to get some gas. Not lazy, but Bruh, I feel goddamn. Like, what's another word for lazy? Shit, I feel whatever the other word for lazy is, that's how I feel, bro. Shit. But I heard something drop back there, man. I don't know. Was it my GoPro? I'm like, oh, what the fuck? Was it my GoPro? See how fast you see how fast I reach for that shit? I got my GoPro on tight. But yeah, let me finish talking about this damn course, man. I need to get some gas, man. God damn. I can't be great, man. Man, shit tripping me out. I know I heard so far. Anyway, goddamn. Anyway, so yeah, you had to do like a figure eight. Like as far as getting on the bike, man, you gotta have a little practice. You gotta have some kind of practice, bro, before you get there. Cause they not gonna really. They had us out there, you know what I'm saying? They had us out there switching the second and shit, switching the first, switching the second. Almost hit that bird. Damn, man. The elements. Nah, but they had us out there. Alright, I want you to go down a straight line in first gear, then hit second and go faster. Then goddamn, then I want you to come to a complete stop. It's like a little square up in the front, like a red square box. I want you to hurry up and stop. You know what I'm saying? Before, I mean, and you have to shift down the first and stop simultaneously. Come on, bro. Somebody who never ever rode or ever rode a bike. Dawg, they not gonna get that. Feel me? Let me get some gas, man. Before I fucking run out of fucking gas, man. '93, you feel me? I say about $8, you know what I'm saying? I say about $8. Cool. That's all I need is 5 foot. Don't need more than that, bro. Alright. It'll work, shit. I'm still recording. I don't even know. I think we are. Yeah. Yeah, man. They need to put that in the they need to let you know about that before you sign up. They need to tell you, like, bro, you need to have a bike that you've been practicing on before. You feel me? You need to have a bike you've been practicing on before you came to this course, man. Straight up. We back outside. They need to tell you, they need to let you know, like, hey man, you should have a bike that you've been kind of sort of practicing on before you came out here. Straight up, let that be known. Alright? Besides that, man, it's easy, man. It's 2 days. It's just grueling. If it's hot as hell where you at, if it's summertime, man, it's gonna be tough. Cause you're gonna be out there for a minute in the goddamn 150,000 degree weather, sweating your balls off, you know. And it's not like this. Like with this, I say, I don't really have to be sweating my balls off crazy, because I'm always getting wind, and when I do stop, I'm boom off the bike and I'm inside of where I'm trying to go. Oh, I think I dropped my lock key. Nah, I don't know what the hell I'm dropping. I heard something drop. I know I ain't tripping. Unless my backpack open. I don't think my backpack open. But yeah, that's it. But you can do it. Don't sweat it, man. Don't sweat it, bro. You can do it. You can do it, man. I believe in you, bro. I believe in you. If you believe, then you can achieve. Just look at me. It's Tupac. That's Tupac. Oh, what is that? Second? If you believe, then you can achieve. Just look at me. Living in the project, broke with no lights on. Man, they need to goddamn take that milk, bro. Is it still there? Man, that shit can't be there, man. That shit been there for like 3 months, bro. Yeah, but